Morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here goes the very first question of the Sum of the Beautiful White Horse. And be fast in answering. Okay, who is the narrator of the story, The Summer of a Beautiful White Horse? William Serion, Aram, John Byro, or Murad?
William Serion.
No, the narrator is Aram. He's narrating the story. Jayanti?
Yes, ma'am.
Remember? Okay, when it is the first person narration and Aram is narrating the story. I said narrator, okay? जो narrate कर रहा है. After the horse was stolen and returned, it became rougher. It became sick and ill, stronger and better tempered, or both A and C. Answer. How did the horse it become? It became rougher, it became sick and ill, or the horse became stronger and better tempered.
Stronger and better.
The horse is
Stronger and better.
stronger and better tempered.
When did the boys return the horse? After Aram learnt to ride it, after a year, after 6 months, or after they ran into John Byro? Means when they met.
Ma'am D.
Yes,
Ma'am
D.
D.
Ma'am, the option.
John Byro said, a suspicious man would believe his eyes instead of his heart. What does it tell about him? He believed in the honesty of Gargulenian family. He was impractical. He was foolish, or none of the above.
A. Ma'am A.
Believe.
A1. Okay, fine. At what time did Aram and Murad ride the horse? Late night, early morning, evening, or afternoon hours?
Ma'am early
Ma'am,
morning.
early morning.
Early morning. Who was the true owner of the horse? Fatawajan, John Byro, Dikran Halabian, or Zorab?
Ma'am John Byro.
John Byro. What sort of an understanding did Murad mention with the horse? Mature, simple and honest, complicated, or difficult?
Simple and honest.
Simple and honest. Murad had been hiding the horse in a stable, in a barn of a vineyard, at a secret place of his house, or none of the above?
In a vineyard.
Yes,
Yes,
in a
ma'am.
barn of a vineyard. Okay. What was Uncle Khusro's customary line? Ignore it, pay no attention to it, forget it, it is harmless, ignore it, it is no harm, pay no attention to it.
It is
D.
no harm.
It is
Last
attention
one.
to it.
No harm, pay no attention to it. How would you describe Uncle Khusro? Hot tempered, irritable, impatient, all of the above.
All of the above.
All of them.
Above.
All of the
Member
above.
of the Gargulalian family could be poor, rich, a thief, or a crazy.
A thief.
A thief. Where did Aram live? In the center of the house, in the country, Olive Avenue, or at the edge of town on Walnut Avenue?
Ma'am
It
D.
is at the edge, last one.
Age
Okay?
of the holy.
Walnut Avenue. Okay, next question. Quiet man, quiet, your horse has been returned. Who said this? Quiet man, quiet, your horse has been returned. Who said this? Murad, Aram, Uncle Khusro. Yeah, it is not mentioned in the story.
Uncle Khusro.
Uncle Khusro. Why did the boys return the white horse to its owner? Because they were conscience stricken, because they were afraid, because they found it difficult now to hide the horse, or because they were accused of theft.
Ma'am A.
Because they were
Because
conscience
of consent.
stricken. Yes,
Stricken. Yes, ma'am.
yes. Why did the horse owner refuse to believe that the boys had stolen his horse? Because, okay, reasons, he didn't examine the horse carefully. Their family was known for honesty. He had found his horse elsewhere. His horse had a twin.
Their
And
family
because
was
they
famous for their honesty.
Yes, because he knew very well that their family, it was famous for honesty and
honesty.
truth.
Yes, ma'am.
I have a way with farmers. Who says to whom? Whom? Aram to Murad, Murad to John Byro, Aram to John Byro, or Murad to Aram.
Murad to
Murat
Adam.
to Aram.
Right.
Yes.
For how long did Murad have the horse before Aram got to know about it? 1 day, 1 year, 1 month, or 1 week?
1 month.
1 month. है ना 8 महीने पहले से ही था. John Byro learned to speak Armenian language out of necessity, out of fun, out of eagerness, or out of loneliness.
I'm D
Out of
loneliness.
Loneliness, so that he might get mixed with this Armenian tribe. Okay. What was the behavior of the horse initially in the beginning? It wanted to be trained, it wanted to rest, it wanted to run wild, or all of the above?
Ma'am, C. It wanted to run
Ma'am,
wild.
Wild. When Aram rode the horse alone, it ran down the road to the vineyard, to irrigation ditches, to field, to countryside.
Yeah.
Vineyard की तरफ भागा, and then it started leaping on the vines, okay, grapes वगैरह जो थे.
Yes, ma'am.
What did Uncle Khusro do to stop anyone from talking? By beating them, by walking away, by shouting at them, or by ignoring them?
by shouting.
Shouting. Murad was considered the natural descendant of his father, of his uncle, of his grandfather, or great grandfather.
Of his uncle. Uncle.
How does Aram describe the horse? Magnificent and lovely, beautiful white horse, both A and B, or none of the above?
Both A and B.
Beautiful white
both A and B.
Both A and B. Okay. Murad enjoyed being Dash more than anybody else. Crazy, alive, funny, or none of the above?
Alive.
and
Alive.
alive.
What, according to Adam, was his first longing? To own a horse, to become rich, to ride a horse, or to visit a vineyard? Yes. What was his first longing? Why you not audible? Yes, Akhilesh. Now you are not getting the answers.
No, ma'am. My network is going so.
हाँ तो फिर वो पहले देख लिया आंसर है.
No, ma'am.
तो guesses थे बेटा.
Ma'am, पहले बता-
अच्छा, very good. What, according to Adam, was his first longing? To own a horse, to become rich, to ride a horse, or to visit a vineyard?
To ride a horse.
To ride
To
a
ride a horse.
सही है बेटा. Why couldn't Aram believe when he saw Murad with the horse? Because Murad was crazy, because they were poor to afford a horse, because he was sleepy, or he was dreaming.
Because they were poor to afford a horse.
Yes, it
Yes,
was
ma'am.
very hard for him to believe, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, tell me, for how many centuries they had been famous for honesty and truth? 10 centuries?
100.
12?
10
Yes.
centuries. 100.
How does Aram describe the horse? This question was done. This was also done. Okay, now all the questions are done and we can take some other chapter. Okay, all the questions I have. Yes, we had already been revised. Now, next chapter would be what? Yes,
The address.
The
Yes, ma'am.
address? Okay,
Yes,
fine.
No,
ma'am.
हाँ बेटा बोलिए. The address?
no, ma'am, nothing.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Should we begin? After reading the
Yes,
address,
ma'am.
how would you
Yes,
describe
ma'am.
Mrs. Darling? Materialistic, selfish, opportunist, yeah, all of the above.
I'm selfish.
All of the above.
But
Opportunist भी तो थी, मौका परस्त थी कि नहीं? In total, how many times did the author visit the given address? Twice, once, thrice, or 4 times, or never? How many times did the author?
twice.
Yes, twice she visited. Okay.
Twice.
When for the very first time she went, whom did she meet? Whom did she meet, Vita?
Mrs. Darling.
Yes. And next time, Mrs. Darling, she was not there. Her daughter was there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
The author had come to visit Mrs. Darling dash the war. During the war, before the war, after the war, or it's not mentioned in the story.
I'm after the war.
After the war.
After
Very
the
good.
war.
At the end, what does the author decide finally? To forget the address, to visit next year again, to remember the address forever, or none of the above?
Pardon, please.
To forget the
At the
address.
end, finally, the author, she decides something, okay? Now, 4 options are there: to forget the address, to visit again, or to remember the address forever, or none of the above. What is the option?
Forget the address.
First
To forget the
option.
address.
The narrator, she resolves to forget the address. Okay, I told you why. Because one thing is the unique, the antiques, they have lost all the taste. And another thing that she doesn't want to be connected with the things of the past. Okay, maybe she just tried to convince herself by saying that she had a small rented room where handful of cutlery, it was enough for her, as she was all alone, mother was no more. And the things that are connected to you better later on, when those connections do not exist, they give you lot of pain, right? So she wanted to be away from those things, as maybe those things might be make her remember, make her miss, okay, of the moments of the time that she had spent with her mother. समझ गए? इसलिए she decided finally to forget the address. Okay, next one. Why did the author leave Mrs. Jolling in a hurry? Okay, Mrs. Jolling house. Because she was getting late for the train, and second, she no longer wanted to stay there, both A and C, or none of the above.
I'm A.
Both A and C, okay? She was getting
Okay.
late for the train and she was now not interested to stay there any longer.
Yes, ma'am.
According to the author, when do we notice the things in the house? कब हम notice करते हैं? When they are out of a sight, when they are used, when they are shown, or all of the above?
Ma'am, A.
A1, okay?
When they are.
If something is
Yes,
missing
ma'am.
from a house, you
Okay.
never, okay, when you see those things every day, you do not give any importance, you don't notice. But when something misses from a house, when those things are out of your sight, surely, okay, you notice them. In what condition did the author find the living room? Haphazard, well arranged, empty, or old fashioned? Living room of Mrs. Darling.
Ma'am, A.
Haphazard था, बड़ा गंदा सा बिखरा हुआ. I was in a room I knew and did not know. What does author mean by this? She saw familiar things but in unfamiliar surroundings. She saw unfamiliar things but in familiar surroundings. She did not recognize the things. She did not want to remember anything. What will be
She
the
saw familiar things and
yes,
unfamiliar
all those
surroundings.
yes, familiar things, you know. She knew the room. Okay, I was in the room, I knew. कैसे जानती थी? Because the things were familiar. And I did not know why, because it was the unfamiliar room. Okay, the room did not belong to her. तो वो room क्या था? वो unfamiliar था. Unlike Mrs. Jolling, her daughter was dashed towards the author. Rude, mature, hospitable, or mean?
Mature, hospitable.
What is the answer?
Mummy. Mummy.
नहीं मीन
Hospitable.
नहीं थी, वो हॉस्पिटेबल थी, मेहमान नवाजी करी थी ना डॉटर ने. अनलाइक मिसेस जॉलिंग, यानी मिसेस जॉलिंग लाइक मिसेस जॉलिंग नहीं थी, अनलाइक थी मिसेस जॉलिंग की तरह. ओके, डिफरेंट थी मिसेस जॉलिंग. Why had the author come to visit Mrs. Jolling? Because, okay, the reason is Mrs. Jolling had belongings of author's mother. Mrs. Jolling called her. She missed Mrs. Jolling or none of the above?
Ma'am, A.
A1. Okay, Jolling had belongings of her mother. How does the author
Yes,
describe Mrs. Jolling when she saw her the first time during the war? कैसे describe करती है? Woman with a round back, woman with a broad back, a woman with a straight back, or none of the above? Woman with a broad back. Okay. Do you remember the day she was there at home, and next day when she got up late, a day before only, she had asked her daughter about the things that were, not her daughter, I'm sorry, she had asked her mother about the things that were missing. तो mother ने कहा था तुमने बहुत जल्दी, you have noticed everything. तब mother ने बताया था कि one of my friends, you know, though I did not have any contact with her for many years, but now again we got reunited, where I had contact with her. So every now and then she comes and she takes away all the antiques, saying that she is going to keep them safely as the war was going on. And once the war would be over, she would return it back. Okay. So next day, when she got up quite late and she was coming down from the first floor, she noticed that mother was there on the main gate saying goodbye to somebody with a woman who had a broad back. It was there. That is why I keep on asking you to read the chapters carefully. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
और similarly
Yes, ma'am.
daughter भी बिल्कुल मिसेस जॉलिंग की तरह ही थी. Mrs. Jolling took the possession of the things on the pretense of, okay, on the excuse of using them, selling them, keeping them safe, both A and B.
Keeping
I'm
them
keeping
safe.
it.
Keeping
Keeping
them
them
safe,
safe.
yes. Okay, now the next question. One minute, beta. I'm not getting more questions here. Okay, here I got it. Her face gave absolutely no sign of recognition. Okay, whose face is the author talking about? Yuvraj Singh. Yuvraj. Okay, now see, was the author convinced with her mother's idea of letting Mrs. Jolling take away the things? Mother क्या convinced थी? Absolutely convinced, partially convinced, not at all, or it's not mentioned in the story. Was the author convinced that Mrs. Jolling was taking away all the things? Was she convinced?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. क्या थी पूरी
Ma'am,
तरह
please
से
repeat.
You want me to repeat it? Okay. Was the
Yes,
author
ma'am. Ma'am,
convinced?
options.
Okay.
Yes,
Was
ma'am.
the author convinced with the mother's idea of letting Mrs. Darling take away the things? Okay. Absolutely, partially, not at all, or not mentioned in the story.
Not at all.
Not at all,
Not at
ma'am.
all नहीं थी, partially थी, बिल्कुल नहीं होती तो वो अलाउ ही नहीं करती अपनी फ्रेंड को, है ना, ले जाने के लिए. ठीक है, तो partially यानी
Yes,
Yes,
थोड़ी
ma'am.
बहुत agree थी और थोड़ी बहुत disagree थी, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So why did
Yes,
the
ma'am.
author wait for such a long time before visiting the address? Because she was not interested, because she was afraid to confront her mother's belonging. Both A and B or none of the above.
Both A and B.
Yes, both A and B.
She was not.
Who opened the door upon the author's second visit to Mrs. Darling's house? Mrs. Darling, Mrs. Darling's daughter, or Mrs. Darling's husband, or nobody opened?
Ma'am, C.
Darling.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah.
B. Ma'am, Mrs.
हाँ.
Darling's daughter.
Darling's daughter. Okay. How does the author describe the living room? Muggy smell, strange atmosphere, or sophisticated, or A and B?
Muggy smell.
Yes, both A and B. It was a strange atmosphere and lot of muggy smell was there. Okay. The author remembered that the woolen tablecloth had an ink mark, a defect, a burn mark, or none of the above.
Ma'am, burn mark.
Burn mark. Very good, beta. What was the silver that the author was once asked to clean by her mother? Jewelry, cutlery, sculptures, or stones?
Ma'am, cutlery.
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 Okay. Now this has been done. Who is the protagonist of the address? Okay. Protagonist hota main character. Mrs. Darling, Mrs. S daughter, Mrs. S or Mrs. Darling's daughter. Yes.
Mrs. Darling.
Mrs. Darling.
Darling.
Mrs. S daughters.
हाँ मिसेस एस डॉटर वही तो मेन कैरेक्टर हैं जिन्होंने स्टोरी नरेट करी है बेटा. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What was
ma'am.
the very first thing out of a mother's possession that the daughter she notices when she enters Mrs. Darling's house? Hanukkah candle holder, woolen tablecloth, white teapot, or green knitted cardigan?
Ma'am, woolen tablecloth.
Okay. ये तो enter है लेकिन सबसे पहले है ना when she went to Mrs. Darling's house यदि ऐसे क्वेश्चन आए तो क्या होगा बेटा? She noticed the green knitted cardigan. Okay. जब उन्होंने देखा था
Okay, ma'am.
किसने नरेटर ने green knitted cardigan that Mrs. Darling she was wearing. ठीक है. उससे पहले तो she failed to recognize her ना बार बार मना कर रही थी. लेकिन फिर जब वो समझ गई कि she had noticed the cardigan that she was wearing, okay, that belonged to the narrator's mother, तो थोड़ा सा वो उन्हें हिचाई hesitate करा. And then she recognized, oh, I remember you this and that. But she failed to talk to her. She did not allow her to enter. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
author of the address? Manon Uphoff, Margot Minko, or Maranti G. Moore, or none of the above?
Margot
None of the
Minko.
Okay, fine. Enough for today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye, beta. Keep on revising the chapters. Thank you. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Stay
ma'am.
home, be safe and healthy.